Academic English 9. Hello, everyone. So real quick, if you haven't noticed, I'm not in the building today, but even if you're home, this message is still for you. So let's talk about your game plan for today, Thursday, May 6th, 2021. So first and foremost, you guys have a warm-up. Today's warm-up is warm-up 18. Same as we've been doing, we're working on making corrections to paragraphs. So today you're focusing on word choice, verbs, wordiness, plurals, etc. Today at 11:59 p.m., your final project for the Hero's Journey Google Slides presentation is due. Now, a reminder that you need to check this discussion post here, which will tell you which date you will be presenting your project. Let's say you're super behind and you're not really sure where to start today. I would first take a look at this Google Doc. It's just the answers to the notes that we were taking on Tuesday on the Hero's Journey. Now, if all of this sounds foreign to you, you need to go back to week 14, go back into the Tuesday folder, and take a look at this assignment here, which is the Hero's Journey Google Slides presentation assignment. It's a 30-point assignment that you are presenting to the class. You need to make your film selection here. And again, this is in week 14 Tuesday folder. And then here you can make a copy of this Google Slides presentation and edit it to whatever film selection you've made. In the week 14 Wednesday folder, there's an example of student work. So that is the finished product of what your work will look like. So I would really highly suggest looking at that example. Hopefully that will really help you out in today just trying to figure out, finalize your work. But like I said, if you're really lost right now, week 14 Tuesday is a good place to start. You can open up this Google Slides presentation. Obviously, you're going to change this up. This is just an example that I was using, but here it's set up to break down the various steps of the hero's journey. You can just go to File, make a copy, entire presentation, and then you can edit this presentation for yourself. And again, back in the week 14 Wednesday folder, you'll find an example of the finished product. This is what the finished product will look like depending on what film selection you've made. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope that my explanation helped you guys out. Thank you. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.